If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits, putting on the Ritz.
Hello darlings. Today I'm going to be showing you some of our new Brax collection. It's a story of grey and yellow, although there are other colours, but in this particular instance we're doing the grey and the yellow. And this is a show-stopping shirt. The print is fabulous. Don't be afraid of an animal print because this is really quite special. It's a long classic shirt and it skims the body. It has a concealed buttons down the front, and you could wear it tucked in or you can wear it out. Just depends on what you're wearing it with. Now, many times when you buy a shirt, the sleeves are too long. These are actually a bit long for me, and they would be fine if they were tighter, but they're not. So I just want to give you a little tip on what you can do. So you just undo your cuff, you turn it back, and then you do it up like a cuff link. So your button is showing on the outside edge, and then your cuffs are neat and tidy, and they feel tighter and more secure. So the other thing you can do with your sleeves is quite often you might like to have them shorter, you know, turned up, and you don't want them to keep falling down, which is what happens when you just roll them. So the secret is, and this is called the J. Crew sleeve, is you roll your sleeve, pull your sleeve up high, like that, so it's neat, and then you turn it up again, like this, and it just sits nicely, showing a double sleeve. And so your sleeve is just sitting nicely there where you want it, and the cuffs are hidden away, and they won't fall down, they'll be there, you can do whatever you like and they will be fine. Now to wear with this lovely Brax shirt, I'm wearing some Brax pants. These are called the Raffaella pants, and they are a wool flannel, 99% wool flannel pant. You don't see them very often, but these are really fabulous and they will be so warm. Now they do have a slim leg on them, and they do have a flat front in the tummy. They have an elasticated waist at the back, and they have pockets here at the side. And pockets, you can't go past having good pockets in a pair of trousers. So these are just beautiful pants. As you can see, they're a lovely charcoal grey, and they do also come in black. Now to wear with the shirt and the trousers, I have on a Brax cardigan. This is called the Anna cardigan, and it's an oversized cardigan. It's really, really lovely. It's a cable knit, and it is just a beautiful, soft, comfortable piece to wear. Now it looks really good because it doesn't actually do up in the front, so you get this lovely shot of the shirt through the middle, and it's nice and slim through the back, and will take you for lunch or just being at home, just feeling cozy but having a shot of colour in your wardrobe. Now this is the fourth piece of the Brax that I'm showing you in this colourway. This is a really nice colour palette, and for those people who can wear yellow, and I mean didn't think I could, but I actually like it on me, so give it a try. Now this jumper is a merino sweater, and the merino is covered in cotton. So that is designed for people who have sensitive skin and can't wear wool. We get a lot of our customers, a lot of our darlings come and tell us that they can't wear wool and they can only wear cotton, or they can wear modal, but they can't wear wool. So this particular jumper is just gorgeous. It has a nice detail here on the cuff. It has splits at the side. It's a sporty sweater. They call it sporty. It's got detail down the side here and down the back. So the middle of the back has a seam, so it just takes it from being dressed up to something that you can easily wear with your jeans or with a beautiful shirt like this. Now I'm wearing the shirt out My husband thinks that looks a bit odd, but that's actually a detail. It's meant to just carry on and show the print so that you've got it at the cuffs, you've got it at the bottom, and you've got it at the neckline, and it just becomes part of the ensemble. Okay girls, so that's all I have to show you today. Today I've shown you the Brax shirt in the animal print. I've also shown you how to do the cuffs when they're too long, and also to turn them up so that you can wear them as a half sleeve. I've got this beautiful jumper on, which is the merino wool covered in cotton, so you won't have any problems if you're allergic to wool. I've got on the slim leg pants in the merino wool, flannel wool, so those are really gorgeous. And I also showed you this fabulous cardigan. Now this cardigan really is gorgeous, and it will add a real zing to your wardrobe. Look great with jeans. All of these pieces would be great with jeans, great for lunch, great for going shopping, or just being at home and blobbing out. So that's all I have for you today, so see you next time.
If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits?